Hey there, this is Bashar from Tech. Welcome to the video. In this video I want to show you how to make a customized fan curve. A customized fan curve is useful when you want the fan speed to react to the GPU temperature. What it means is that when the GPU temperature gets higher, the fans would spin faster. Here I'm gonna show you how to do it thoroughly, but before I talk about that, we need an application for that. MSI Afterburner is a really good application. I'm gonna use that. So if you don't have it, the link is down in the description. Click it, download it, install it, then come back to us. You should have some interface similar to that. So here is the fan speed section in MSI Afterburner. As you can see here, this button is A, it's for auto. This is the fan curve. What it does by default, if you don't have any customized fan curves, it will set the fan speed to the GPU temperature. If you notice, when the GPU temperature reaches 60, the fan speed will be 60. If it reaches 62, then it will be 62. But we still want to have a customized fan curve, and so this is the settings button. Click it, then go to fan. So this is the default fan curve. We have nodes. These nodes are what we use to control the fan curve, and now I want to explain what those mean, those numbers. Okay, the horizontal axis is the temperature, the GPU temperature, and the vertical axis is the fan speed. This node means when the GPU temperature reaches 30, the fan speed would be 40%. This one here, the last node, means when the GPU temperature reaches 90, the fan speed would be 100%. But personally, I never want my GPU temperature to go higher than 80. That's why we put the fan speed to 100% when our GPU temperature reaches 80. Another thing I want to explain is that we have nodes here. We can add them and we can delete as much as we want. Okay, how you delete them is just click the node and hit or press delete button. Now what I want to do is I want the fan speed to be on 70% when the GPU temperature reaches 70, and when the GPU temperature reaches like 60, I want the fan speed to be 65, and when the GPU temperature reaches 50, I want the fan speed to be 53. This is the fan curve that I want. I'm gonna apply it. Another thing I want to explain is that when you double click a node or the line, we will be given what I call a stairway fan curve. Okay, this means that the fan speed would be at a fixed number until the GPU reaches a certain number. For example, here the fan speed is always at 40% until the GPU temperature reaches 50. So this is what it means. We have that option. You can apply it if you need it. And I want to mention one last thing. When we have the fan speed like a fixed fan speed, so here as you can see the fan speed is on 80. What it means is that the fan speed will always be spinning at 80%. You can put it all the way to 100%. This will surely make the GPU temperature, the memory temperature, much lower, but then the life cycle of your fans would be lower, you know. So that's why we don't want that. We don't do that. Okay, if you still want to do that, if you don't want the fan curve and those stuff, then ideally I would say 70% or 75% are good numbers. And yeah, that there's this option as well, but personally I would always use the fan curve. And that's it basically. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you have a suggestion, a comment, let me know, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay safe.